Hi, I'm Vianney from Giovanni.com teaching you how to make money online. 100 million of visitors on your website. I found some hidden traffic sources that can drive 100 million of visitors to your website, and I'm gonna show you. So let's go to the video and remember to subscribe to the channel.
All right, so the advertising network that I'm looking at here is called AdEngage. And this advertising network allows advertisers to buy ads from publishers and website owners that are selling ad space on their sites. And last time I checked, there are over 4,000 websites and publishers selling traffic on this network. Okay, and one of the things I like about this site is that, as it says here, you can set up 10,000 ad variations in 67 seconds and know which work best. What I like about this traffic source here is that the ads that you'll be placing, or the type of ads that will be placed for you, do not really look like advertisements, and a lot of people or your prospects and customers will not realize that it is an advertisement that they're seeing. Okay, so this site here, azia.com, as it says on here, it allows you to connect with social media content creators. And these creators, they get paid to blog, tweet, take photos, and videos. So basically, you can have people write a blog post or shoot a video about your business or your product. All you do is you just log in here or set up an account, and you would just create a campaign and set a budget. And then you would select what type of post you would like. Would you like a blog post, a status update, photo, or a video? And also give information about your product and other instructions that they need. Okay, so let's just take a look at an example here. Well, if you play this video, you could see some profiles of bloggers and other website owners that are creating content for you. So let's just look at an example here, the suburbanmom.com. And so she's someone that could basically write a blog post about your product if it's related to her niche and something that her readers would be interested in here. So if you go to the reviews, and I haven't taken a look at all the reviews, but I'm assuming that a lot of these are sponsored reviews and that she's getting paid to write these posts about various products. Alright, so for example, easy kids snacks from Horizon Organic for kids on the go. Okay, so she wrote these blog posts here. It's not something she just copied and pasted, but she was paid to write, an opinion about it and to basically get it in front of her audience. As you can see down here, this is a sponsored conversation written by me on behalf of Horizon Organics. Nowadays, more people are using mobile devices than computers to access the internet. So mobile advertising is definitely something you should look into. A great place you can go to get really cheap traffic is buzzcity.com. Okay, and you can get your ads, whether they be graphic or text ads, displayed on thousands of mobile websites, and you only pay for the clicks that you get. Okay, and so this is really cheap traffic. You could possibly get between 2,000 and 4,000 clicks and spend only $50. All right, so what I recommend you do is, when you set up your campaigns, try to put your bids at no more than 3 or 4 cents per click. Now here is sitescout.com, which is great if you are looking for some banner ad campaigns, mobile ad campaigns, and retargeting campaigns. And you can place your ads on thousands of websites every day. So basically, you would just create your banner ad or video ad, and you can possibly reach millions of people on the web and on their mobile devices. And what I like about this platform here is that it's easy to use, easy to see your stats, and you could also see all the sites that your ads are placed in. All right, so Trillion.com. Now this is an awesome network that you should try out. It's actually unknown to a lot of marketers, but this network here gets around 200 million unique visitors per month. And actually, you don't even have to put an ad here. The way it works is you do not place any ads. What they do is they just drive the traffic to your website. And what you have to do is basically just bid for keywords that you're targeting. So basically, these guys have cut out all the middlemen so that you can buy traffic for a fraction of the cost. Okay, and they even have a built-in keyword research tool.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you wanted to go more in depth, go to johnvianney.com, insert your name and email, and learn how to make money online promoting other people's products in order to use the traffic. So go to johnvianney.com and remember to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.